Today I'm going to show you how you can make some pretend mud at your house. Do you have some farm animal toys at your house? You can make your farm animal toys get all dirty in the mud. And then after they get dirty, what do they need to do? They need to take a bath. They do. Look, I made a tub of water too with some soap so I can wash my animals. Because that's a job that the farmers do. They have to take care of the animals. And sometimes we have to clean our animals, right? Yeah. Okay, are you ready to learn how you can make mud at home? Okay, so what you're gonna need is a cup of flour, and you need some hot cocoa mix. Who likes hot chocolate? I do. You're gonna need 2 tablespoons of hot chocolate mix, okay? And then after we pour the flour, we need water too. So we're going to use a cup of water too. All right, are you guys ready? I'm gonna pour the flour in first. Okay, then I'm gonna open my packet up. If you need help opening, what can you say? You can say, I need help, right? Help me. Yeah. All right, so I'm gonna fit 2 tablespoons of this. All right, here we go. 1 tablespoon. And 2 tablespoons. Okay, next I'm gonna go fill this up with some water. And we're gonna put it in, and then we're gonna mix it. So to mix it, what do I need? Do I need a knife? No, not a knife. I need a spoon, right? I'm gonna get a spoon too. All right, here we go. Let's go get water. Okay, got the water. And I'm gonna get a spoon from in here. Here's a spoon. Okay, I'm gonna pour the water in next. Whoa, this is so cool. Okay, then I'm gonna use my spoon and I'm gonna stir it around. Get it all ready. I'm gonna stir, stir, stir. Might need a big spoon to help you with this. Oh, I'm looking, I see the mud coming. Oh, animals, you are gonna have a lot of fun in this mud, aren't they? They are. All right, stir, stir, stir. Get it all stirred up. I'll show it to you. Oh, this is gonna be so much fun. All right, let me show you what it looks like. Look at that mud. Oh my goodness, these animals are gonna have so much fun. All right, let's see. Who wants to get in the mud? Oh, I bet the cow wants to, or the pig wants to get in the mud. Pig, do you want to get in the mud? Yes, 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 yes. Pigs love the mud. The pig's gonna roll around in the mud. Let's see. Cow, do you want to get in the mud? Yeah. Oh my goodness, the cow's gonna get in the mud. Let's see. Horse, do you want to get in the mud? Yeah, look at that. Oh my goodness, they're having so much fun in the mud. It's really fun to feel the mud too, friends. I'm getting these animals all dirty. Jump, jump, jump. and they're having fun in the mud. They're playing. They're having fun. What color is the mud? Brown, isn't it? It's a brown color. Oh, they're stomping their feet. Oh, they're having a lot of fun. All right. Oh my goodness, animals, you are a mess. We need to clean you up now. All right, horse, let's go. We're going to get you in the water first. And look, I have a washcloth, friends. You can use a washcloth to wash the animals. You rub their bodies. You know you have washcloths at your house. So that's what you use when you take a bath or a shower, right? All right, we're going to scrub this horse and wash him. Scrub, scrub, scrub. All right, horse. Look, I have a dry towel too. Now I'm going to dry the towel or dry the horse so he stays dry. Dry the horse. Good job, horse. All right, you're all clean. Who's next? I'm gonna get the pig next. It's time for you to take a bath, pig. All right, so I put the pig in the tub and I'm scrubbing like this. You can do this too. Scrub your animals at home. All right, pig, you ready to get your towel? Let's dry you off. Dry, dry, dry. Okay, you're ready. Oh, this cow. Look at this cow. He's a mess. All right, cow, your turn to get in the tub. Scrub, scrub, scrub. Scrub, scrub, scrub. All right, we cleaned the animals. They took a bath. They were playing in the mud and then they took a bath. All right, friends, so at your house, you can make some mud like this and then give your animals a bath after they play in it. All right, I hope you have fun at home. Bye.